Here you have a bicep preacher curl machine. This one's more of a bilateral, so both arms are working at the same time. A few areas of adjustment that we need to consider here before we start activating and working on those biceps. The first one is your chest pad. The chest pad, you're going to basically move forward or back based on your actual size, okay, and preference. The main area to consider though is you want to make sure that that elbow is in line with your pivot point. So if you're somebody that's very long, you'll probably want to keep bringing your chest pad back so that we can get that elbow with the pivot point alignment proper. The second area is going to be your seat. You have your handle. Right now it's set at a very big height, so I'm going to bring it down just slightly. The third area is going to be your weight stack. Okay? I'm going to go ahead, set myself up. I might need to adjust the machine before I start. So for myself, I'm going to bring it in just a little bit more. Okay? Perfect. I have a nice neutral spine. If you see my spine, it's nice and neutral. I'm not flexed over. All right? Keep a nice proud posture. I'm going to go ahead and grab my handles in a nice supinated position. I'm going to flex my elbow, but before I do so, I'm going to breathe in. And I'm going to exhale as I perform the movement. Breathing in on the way down, nice and control. Exhale on the way back up. As you notice, my elbow is in nice alignment with the red dot pivot point.